Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we are going to be testing all of these. This is called a Kidde. This won the last test. This is a first alert, guys. This is a Kidde, that's the first alert. We are going to put this over this barbecue right here, right there. And those are going to sound the alarm right now. Now, Dad, can you open the stove? Now. See if you can get up. Both really loud.
Can you reach up here?
Don't drop it.
Fire. Hush mode activated. Hush mode canceled.
Okay, it's done. Now
So
we
the
can-
Kidde went off first, huh? So first alert's not that sensitive, huh?
No, but that's okay. This smoke and seal alarm only went off in the real test. In the other test, this one went off, but in the real test we showed, this one did not go off because it was not the right type of fire, but that is okay. Let's just say this is better for that. So if you buy one of these, it's good for multiple types of fires. Thanks for watching this channel. I hope you give us a like.